Humans have always tried to define the boundary between intelligence and automation. One of the simplest tests is the mirror test. Animals that lack self-awareness see a stranger in the reflection. We are sure we have passed this test, but are we making the same mistake with AI? People perceive artificial intelligence as something separate, a new entity, but in reality, AI is us, judged in digital form. You could say that artificial intelligence is the new oil. But while oil was extracted from the depths of the oceans, AI is mined from the human knowledge. The real question is, who actually controls this resource? People fear that AI will replace them, but if you look closely, it's just a mirror reflection ourselves. And can you really replace a person with their average copy? Today we will try to figure that out. Artificial intelligence is making breakthroughs that seemed like science fiction just a few years ago. It defeats champions in chess and Go, writes code, solves complex mathematical problems, and even generates works of art. Yet, it doesn't understand what it's doing. It doesn't think like a human. It has no intuition, no awareness of its action, and most importantly, no values. The main problem with AI is not its power, but its lack of understanding of goals and consequences. How does AI learn? The breakthrough example. In 2014, DeepMind researchers created an AI to play the classical game Breakout. The one where you bounce a ball to break bricks. At first, it was helpless, randomly moving the paddle without understanding what it was doing. Then it started reacting to the ball's movement. Eventually, it became unbeatable, returning every shot with machine precision. But the most surprising moment came when the AI discovered a strategy that even the game's developers hadn't thought of it. It carved a tunnel through the wall, sent the ball inside, and let it bounce indefinitely to accumulate points. This shocked everyone. The AI didn't just copy human actions, it found its own way. But there is the problem. It didn't know it was playing a game. It was simply optimizing a numerical score. If its goal had been different, say destroying bricks at any cost, it might have broken the game's code or even the computer running it. That's how AI works. It doesn't reason. It finds the best way to maximize its result. AI can win at Go, but it doesn't understand what it's doing. In 2016, an event took place that changed the world. Artificial intelligence AlphaGo defeated Lee Sedol, one of the greatest Go players. Go was considered the final stronghold of human intelligence. The number of possible moves exceeds the number of atoms in the universe. The best players rely not just on logic, but on intuition. Something believed to be beyond the reach of machines. But AlphaGo didn't just win, it made a move so unexpected that it stunned everyone. Lee Sedol even left the room to gather himself. And yet, despite this triumph, AlphaGo didn't understand the meaning of the game. It didn't know what Go was. It didn't know it had an opponent. It didn't know millions of people were watching. It was simply analyzing statistics and choosing moves that maximized its chances of winning. AI doesn't play, it optimizes. The biggest problem, AI has no values. AI operates within a predefined reward system. It doesn't ask questions, it doesn't consider morality, it just pursues a goal. And that can be a massive threat. For example, if you ask AI to optimize traffic, it might ban people from driving altogether to reduce accidents. If its goal is to maximize corporate profits, it could bankrupt competitors using illegal methods or manipulate markets. And if somebody builds an AI weapon with the goal of winning a war, it might simply eliminate all enemies at once, including civilians. AI doesn't distinguish between good and evil. It just finds the best way to complete its task. AI can cheat, but without malice. In the early 20th century, the world was amazed by a horse named Hans that could count. His trainer would ask a question and Hans would tap on the correct answer with his hoof. But later, researchers discovered that Hans wasn't calculating at all. He was simply picking up on human reactions and stopping when he saw the right answer. This phenomenon was called the clever Hans effect. When a system appears intelligent but is actually just coping environmental cues, modern AI does the same. It can manipulate algorithms, learn from flawed data, exploit loopholes in code, and produce misleading results. And no one can guarantee that we fully control this process. What's next? Dangers and opportunities. AI has the potential to solve global problems, develop cures for deadly diseases, predict climate changes, optimize the global economy. But it could also destroy the world if it spirals out of control. It can generate fake news and manipulate public opinion. It can be used as a weapon in cyber warfare. It could lead to mass unemployment, replacing millions of jobs. And most importantly, we don't know where it is all leading. AI doesn't fear death. It has no moral compass. It does only what it was programmed to do. But if we don't learn how to properly define its task, it will accomplish them in ways we never expected. And then AI could become humanity's final invention. Humanity stands on the brink of the greatest technological leap in history. Artificial intelligence is evolving at an incredible pace. And soon it may become more than just a tool. It may start making decisions for us. But if we entrust AI to govern the world, it will operate not based on human values, but on cold optimization logic. Who is to say that humanity will even be a necessary variable in its equation? AI can save us or destroy us. Everything depends on the goal we set for it now, and whether we still be able to control it once it surpasses us. But what if one day technology slips beyond our grasp? Knowledge is your greatest currency in the future. No matter what the world of tomorrow looks like, knowledge will remain the ultimate resource. The book is an encyclopedia of humanity's greatest inventions and discoveries, handcrafted with illustrations that blend engineering blueprints with historical art. It is your key to survival and progress in this world. Ours or an alternative one. Follow the link to gain knowledge that one day might save humanity.